are finally back again with issue 102 of the Build a DeLorean for the Back to the Future Eaglemoss subscription, whatever. Had a battle with them over the last few weeks to stop sending me the extras. Like I said, I have all of my kits for the full run. I think it's like 130 issues or whatever. Got those, the last one shipped to me last December. I just haven't, with everything with my life being in free fall, I haven't been able to build all these kits. Fast forward to a few weeks back, and Eaglemoss decided they're gonna send me something else. Well, they don't even send it to the right address because I don't live there anymore. But I got charged for it. I'm like, what is this? So some back and forth with their customer service, and they finally refunded it. It's like, I never got it, number one. Number two, I didn't agree to any of the extras. So it's shameful. Eaglemoss, man. But at least they finally, they shouldn't have sent it to begin with, but at least they finally refunded me. It's just a hassle. Such a hassle. Trying to get anything canceled from them or get them not to send you stuff you didn't want without any notification in advance. It's just I got a thing saying it's shipped. Check my credit card, something had been billed. Like I don't even live there anymore. Alright. This is the opposite of what we did on the other side here. So it's the opposite side. So we got the pasture side here. We're going to run this cabling around and tie it up, and that'll be it for this one. Short, sweet, hopefully. I don't know if I've learned any lessons, but probably not. Knowing me, because it's been a couple of weeks now since I did this last. Okay, got a couple of IP screws. Still don't have my tray. I don't have nothing. Alright, just don't want to lose those. See what screwdriver I'm going to use. Come on. Maybe this one, maybe too big. This is my little screwdriver set. I don't know what happened to it after the move. Alright. You know, I had a suggestion made to me by somebody, and they said on the last one, maybe I do the wire ties on this thing before putting it on here. I kind of like that idea. So I think I'm going to do that. Who was that that told me that? Shout out to you. If I could remember. Hit me on the comments if you did. Alright, let's see if this works out. Because I just have to make sure that I do this right. This is going to go on here. Let's see, this is going to be a nice little long one here again, probably for something so easy. So easy. Maybe you can sit back, relax. This does seem a little weird here. Okay. It's going to be like that. This cabling is going to go something like that. As I have enough slack here, let's do this. Let's try this method. Where am I putting my ties at? Ooh, message from Starfleet. There was no locked and loaded show tonight. I don't know what's going on there. But hopefully they get that. Email me and John Solar. Get that sorted out, hopefully. With whatever's going on. Cutting. a little tie here. Filming this on a Friday night. Hopefully everyone is gonna have a great weekend. I'll do this tonight. That's about it. Got a little rain today. Some very small hail. Nothing major. Cutting. And that's about all that's happened, you know, work Monday through Friday, do some here and there's on the weekends, try to pay the bills. Cutting wire. This is going to wind up being much easier doing it this way, at least for this one. I may not be able to do this for the next set. It was blowing up my phone, man. But tell you what though, I need a vacation. I need a break from reality. I need some type of stress relief going on, which I don't have currently. My situation. Hopefully I can get some, kind of lost a lot of my camping gear, so I got my camp stove. I still have that. Need to get something, get back out there and maybe do some camping. May not be able to do it not this weekend, but maybe in the near future as the weather improves. Look at that. I mean, that worked out much easier. Who was that? Harmar, Smile Money? I don't know. Sorry if I don't remember who told me, suggested that to do it first, but I think it's going to work out for this, I hope. Kind of depends on this wire up here. Did I do it good enough here? But leave the right amount of slack. We got to feed this guy down in here like that, and I've got to break free. These little pegs in. Okay, I gotta put a screw up in there. It's so big. Tell you what, gas prices are pretty outrageous right now where I'm at. I'm sure they're higher other places. It's over $4 bucks for the cheap stuff here. So I know some people are suffering through $7 right now, but that's just insane how much gas is. So that's another issue with trying to travel, even going camping and stuff, you know. Travel. I have to use the needle nose to get this down. I'll take that all day long. I like that. And just like that, this kit is done. Let's check out some of the end stuff here that I haven't been showing. Some of the behind the scenes. Industrial Light and Magic, where we got a DeLorean when it's flying. Speaking of DeLoreans, there's a new DeLorean in the works. I think it's all electric or something crazy, but it's got gull wing doors, but it's it has back seats, so I think it's a 4-seater. DeLorean in name only. I guess they bought the rights to the DeLorean name, some other company. That's about all it shares with it. Here's Doc's big amp. This big old amp. Before school, Marty has an encounter with one of Doc Brown's incredible inventions. Yeah, quick facts. Sent flying. The stunt of Marty flying through the air was performed by Michael J. Fox's stunt double, Charlie Crowell, who was actually propelled across the room by an air ram. There were several visitors to the set to watch the stunt being performed, including the film's rather well-known producer, Steven Spielberg. An air ram, huh? Alright, next up, next issue, it's that fun little grill piece right there. And this piece goes up like this. That's it. Boom.